In this video, I want to take you through all of the steps needed for the maintenance on an E-3000 whole house water filter and salt-free softening combo with UV purification. To accomplish this, we'll need all of our replacement items. We'll need an E100R sediment filter, an E200R carbon filter, and an L420C UV lamp. The first step is to turn the main water supply off and unplug the UV system from power. Next, I'll open the nearest faucet to relieve the water pressure from the plumbing system. With the water pressure relieved, I'm ready to grab my wrench and unscrew my housings. If your inlet is on the left and your outlet is on the right, then you'll remove the left cartridge and the center cartridge. But if your situation dictated that you rotate the manifold and your inlet is on the right and your outlet is on the left, then you'll remove the right-hand cartridge and the center cartridge. The third outlet side cartridge, which is your eSoft, does not need to be replaced. The housings will be full of water and weigh about 15 pounds, so make sure that when you're removing them, you support them from the bottom. Next, I'll remove and discard the old cartridges. As well as the old O-rings. Now I'm ready to grab my new O-rings and fully lubricate them with the included silicone grease. This is a food grade silicone grease, so it's completely safe to handle with your bare hands. Any residual left over on your hands can be cleaned up with some dish soap. Next, I'll install the new O-rings as well as the new cartridges. When installing the new cartridges, make sure that they drop all the way in and are centered by that lower standpipe. Now I can reinstall my housings. I'll place the carbon filter, which has a white cap in the center, and the sediment filter, which has a blue cap on the inlet side. I'll hand tighten and then use the wrench to snug both of the housings. Next, I'll remove the grounding screw from the UV chamber. Now I can disconnect the lamp from the gland nut by rotating a quarter of a turn counterclockwise, disconnecting the lamp from the lamp plug, and removing the old lamp. Next, I'll install the new lamp, making sure not to touch the glass with my fingers. Reconnect the lamp plug to the lamp, and then to insert it into the gland nut, it's a quarter of a turn clockwise. Next, I'll remove the old key and discard and insert the new key. Now I can reattach the grounding screw to the chamber. With the system now back together, I can slowly turn on the main water supply. With the water back on, we'll allow the system to flush for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the water off and check for leaks. Lastly, I'll plug the UV system back into power and allow it to go through its startup process. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. For video purposes, we've sped it up. Ultimately, what you're looking for is a check mark and the 365-day counter. Your system is now ready for use.